We finally had a quiet week for mortgage rates with almost no noticeable rate movement. Last week was a shortened week because we had MLK holiday on Monday, and there were no real major reports that would have affected the markets, so interest rates were pretty calm all last week. This week, a very different story. Monday's pretty quiet. Tuesday, we get the Case-Shiller Home Price Index and we get consumer confidence numbers. These are minor reports. Wednesday, though, is huge. We'll get the Fed's interest rate decision and press conference. They are likely to pause rate cuts. They have lowered a full percentage point since this past July, and now it is expected that they won't move interest rates at all, despite the fact that Trump has already put pressure on them to drop interest rates further. Nothing coming on Thursday, and then Friday is your PCE. That's your personal consumption expenditures. This is an inflationary report that definitely could move the needle. Where are we at on mortgage rates? The 30 years at 7.11%, the 15 years at 6.51%, and the FHA is at 6.54%. Again, the 30-year fixed rate right now is averaging about 7.11%. That number is based on Mortgage News Daily's tracking, which is going to be more realistic than anything you see from the Freddie Mac report, which is what everybody references because that report is always a little delayed. So remember, it's a buyer's market right now. There are certainly some places that we're getting multiple offers, but a lot of stuff has been sitting longer than it has in quite some time. And so now is the time to be looking. If you find that property, you might actually be able to negotiate some seller paid closing costs, maybe even a discounted sales price. It's a great time to be a buyer relative to the last 5 years. So if you're thinking about buying, 2025 might be the year for you to do so. If you know someone else who's thinking about buying, please forward this email to them or reference this video and put them in touch with us. I would love to help them purchase a home this year. Rates haven't come down yet, so we're not looking at refis, but we are watching things for the people in our rate watch system. If you're not in there, call us. We'll walk you through what that means. Once again, Weber Mortgage, we are a family in the business of helping families.